So I'm going to show you how to remove bot traffic from your Google Analytics platform. As you can see, when I'm coming into my Google Analytics, I see that the second source of traffic is this one, bot traffic for free.club, and it's just a bot. It's spam. We don't want spam. It makes us think like we have more traffic than we do, and it makes it really complicated to understand and gain more info about our data. And also, if you're running any kind of algorithm of like AI for advertising, it might confuse the algorithm and or stuff like that. So we're just going to remove from our Google Analytics. We can also block the traffic to even reach our website, but I will show you this in a different tutorial. Now I'm just going to show you how to remove it from our data on Google Analytics. So as you can see, we have this one as a source. So what we're going to do, we're going to create a new segment under, sorry, I didn't tell you how to reach. We're going to go into acquisition. On the left hand side we have acquisition, just click on it, and then we have all traffic, click on all traffic, and then we have referrals, so just click on the referrals, right? And then we can see this table and we see how many users, sessions, bounce rate, blah blah blah. So we're just going to add a new segment, and we're going to add a new segment, and we're going to click on new segment. And over here we can create a segment that we want to show only this type of people in it. So in my case, I want to exclude the traffic. I want to show all traffic but the bots. So I'm going to go in here, advanced conditions, and I am going to copy this, and I am going to filter, and I'm going to exclude hostname, let me see if I get the result that I want. You know what, I'm just gonna change it into source, source. Yeah, so I'm going to exclude users that the source is bot traffic for free. Now, I have a list of other bots, okay, that are well known, and I'm just gonna put all the list in here, okay? So we're going to call it no bots. Save. And voila, it's gone. Now we need to do one more thing. I just removed it from my view at the moment, and I don't want to include it in the future as well. So we need to do one more step, okay? We're gonna go into admin. Where's my admin? I've been having some issues today with, here. I've been having some issues today with Google Analytics. It might happen. And you know what? It makes me feel good, because if Google has issues sometimes, then I am definitely allowed to have issues as well. So I'm going to go to under view, I'm going to go into filters. I already did it, so I'm just going to show you how I've done it. You need to add filter, give it a name, click on custom, campaign source, exclude campaign source. Okay, it's a drop down, just choose campaign source, and paste the domain that you want to exclude. And click on verify. I already excluded it, but you should see the exclusion of the traffic. And click on save. And we're done. So you need to remove it from your traffic table, and then you need to add a filter into your filters. And any domain that you want to exclude, you add it in the filters here, okay? So that's it.